Okay, so we've come along to the JVC stand and we're going to have a chat with John Kelly about their products and obviously their appearance here at BVE. So, John, what's JVC doing here at BVE? Broadcast show? What's all that about?
Well, just a coincidence really, isn't it? But we're here primarily to obviously demonstrate our core products for the production and broadcast market, specifically our camera range, of course, a range of professional production monitors and related studio equipment as well.
So what I'm reporting on here at the show is products specifically aimed at the professional videographer, and I know that you've got a new camera that's come out that's right up their alley, as we would say. Well, can you tell me about the products?
Yeah, we do indeed, yeah. So we have actually a couple of new models called the GYHM 850 and 890. Very closely related, as I'll explain shortly. Just give you a quick overview of the range otherwise. So we continue, for example, we've got a small HM150, small handheld camera here. We have our HMQ10, which is a handheld 4K camera as well, for those people looking to develop some 4K work. We have our existing models, GYHM 600 and 650, which have been really incredibly successful for us as a compact handheld camera. But in particular, as you say, Kevin, it's about the 850 and 890 cameras really at the show here this week. Fundamentally, those cameras are compact shoulder cameras, offering that traditional shoulder mount style and all of the benefits of weight and balance and handling, but very much taking our previous generation in that class, the HM700 series, and adding in better sensitivity, better sensors, a better lens, better codec support and networking connectivity too.
Okay, so what's the main difference between the two models?
Okay, so the 850 is, I suppose one would say, primarily the ENG type model, so designed for event videographers and so forth as a shoulder mount camera. The 890 in addition adds in studio capability, so it gives you the ability to make it into full studio configuration with top, back and remote control and tally system and so on for studios, whether that be corporate, education, but up to and including broadcast studios.
How significant is it to introduce a camera at this level with the shoulder mounting? Is there still a big demand for shoulder mounted cameras? Certainly in the videography market, I've got an idea there might be.
Yeah, I mean, we certainly think you're right. If we look back to our existing models in that range and going back quite a number of years, and remember from our original tape-based cameras, a lot of customers still got those and still using them in the field. But what was always so well received, as you know, is the form factor of the camera, the weight, the balance, and the handling of a shoulder mount camera. Where I think we needed to pick up was in improving the codec support, improving the sensitivity and the resolution of the camera at the front end, giving better lens options, and more recording and networking connectivity. So, for example, look at the 850 and 890. It's now offering full HD CMOS sensors, offering outstanding low light sensitivities, f12 with 2000 lux. So if you are in a lower light environment, get really good shooting results from that without needing to add in gain, for example. So front end is developed newly. Also the lens is new as well. It's a 20 times Fujinon lens, but offering both manual and autofocus capability in a detachable lens. Also got a built-in image stabilizer as well. So very, very flexible lens in terms of shooting conditions you want to use. What's also true, of course, is a detachable lens camera, so you can put in a range of other 1/3 inch lenses, or indeed with adapters, 1/2 or 2/3 inch lenses as well.
That's pretty amazing. So for all those poor souls that couldn't make it to BVE today, or tomorrow, or Thursday, how do they find out more information about these products?
Well, it's there on our website at www.jvcpro.co.uk. Thank you, Kevin. So all the information is there, product specs and so forth. So encourage everybody to go there, but try and make it to the show and pick up the camera if you can.
Thanks very much, John.
Right.
Hope you have a great show and
Thank you.
Speak soon.